In the Windows operating system, first, close all other programs or apps that are running. Now, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape together to open the Task Manager. Click on the File menu, then select Run New Task from the drop-down menu. The Create New Task window will open. In the Open Text field, type excel.exe/s without quotation marks. Microsoft Excel will open in safe mode. Check the title bar. Safe mode should appear clearly. Respectively, only one sheet added to this workbook. Go to the Home tab. The Add-ins group is disabled. Click the Developer tab and check the Add-ins dialog box. No add-ins are loaded. Also, check the COM add-ins dialog box. No COM add-ins are loaded. Again, press Alt plus Function 11. VBA Editor will open. In the VBA Editor, check the Add-ins dialog Manager from Add-ins menu. No add-ins are loaded or started. Close VBA Editor. Once again, to close the workbook, click File, then Close. To close Microsoft Excel, single-click the Close button from top right corner. Or double-click the X-marked system icon from top left corner to close Excel.